So in F sharp, the chord, our F sharp is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me first illustrate, then I'll explain. There is nothing. Same progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1 over 5, 1, 5, 1. There is nothing. There is nothing. Can I go to 3 direct? 2, 3. So we do. There is nothing. Can I go to 3? The chords are very simple. Is 1. I want to show you, then I'll play with the beat. There is nothing. 1. You can 2, 3, 4, 2, 1 over 5, 1, 5, 1. There is nothing. 1. So it's just start from 1. This is our 1. F sharp, C sharp. This side is F sharp, B flat, and C sharp. 2, G sharp, G sharp, D sharp, G sharp, B, D sharp. This side is B flat and F sharp, B flat, D sharp, and F sharp, and F, B, or 4, B, F sharp, B, D sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp. Then 2. This is B, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, and B. This F sharp, B and G sharp. This is like playing 5. This side you play 1. Then you play 1, holding your 5. It's just like that. Let me do it with a beat. There is nothing. Just like that. Maybe what you can add, there is nothing. You can add 1, there is nothing, then you play